Welcome to Artboard. When you first open Artboard, you'll see a new blank document. Open the template browser to select a template, or open the Drawing Setup dialog to set your dimensions, drawing units, and more. The image browser provides an easy way to drag photos and SVG graphics into your drawing. Simply double-click an image to access Artboard's quick photo editing. Here's a look at Artboard's flexible drawing tools. Keyboard shortcuts let you constrain an object's aspect ratio, angle, or draw out from center. Simple and direct drawing controls let you grab and move, rotate, resize, quickly convert between shape and path for quick edit mode, and more, all with a single select tool. Artboard's special shapes make objects like stars and rounded rectangles fun to draw. The Geometry tab offers you precise control. Use the Styles tab to create and edit simple stroke and fill styles. Click the Reset button to reset the style. Artboard's Layers tab helps you keep your drawing organized. Artboard goes way beyond simple fill and stroke with its expert stacked styles. Use the Style tab to create and edit advanced styles such as gradients, image fills, and patterns. Change the style properties to build your new style or to edit a copy of a library style. Artboard invites you to be creative. Artboard delivers with hundreds of styles and editable clip art. Use clip art as components of your own drawings. Ungroup to edit complex clip art as needed. When you're ready, you can export your entire drawing, slices, individual layers, or just your selected objects. Export as TIFF, JPEG, PNG graphics, or editable vector PDF, with or without a transparent background. This was just a glimpse of what's waiting for you inside. Find out more by checking out our Getting Started video shorts and online vector tutorials.